In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Wave wallet to OKX. This process will enable you to manage your cryptocurrency more efficiently by integrating these two platforms seamlessly. Begin by navigating to the OKX website. In your web browser, enter the URL for the Web3 wallet at web3.okx.com/token. Once the page loads completely, you will see the interface for the wallet. Next, look for the option labeled Account or Wallet on the screen. This is usually located in the top navigation area. Click on it to access your account details. After this action, you should see a new screen displaying your wallet information. After that, find the portfolio option within the account section. This will lead you to a view of all the assets currently held in your wallet. Once you click on Portfolio, the interface will update, showing your asset distribution. Proceed by selecting the Manage Crypto button, which you will find on the Portfolio page. Clicking this will take you to the Management section where you can add or remove cryptocurrencies. The screen will refresh, displaying various options for managing your crypto assets. Now, type in Waves in the search bar provided on the Management page. This action will filter the available options to show only those related to Waves. After typing, you should see a list of related assets appear below the search field. Once the list populates, click on the Add button next to the Waves option. This will initiate the process of adding Waves to your wallet. A confirmation message may appear indicating that the asset has been successfully added. Ensure you wait for this confirmation before proceeding. It's important to note that large files or long processing times can affect how quickly your wallet updates. If you experience delays, check your internet speed to ensure a stable connection. Additionally, verify that you have sufficient storage in your wallet to accommodate the new assets. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.